If you're wondering how you can turn on or turn off gesture navigations on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Display. Now under the Display settings, just look for the option of Navigation bar, then tap on it. Now instead of swipe gestures, just select buttons. Now after you select buttons, you will enable the button navigations on your tablet. And also under the button order, you can select the order of the button navigation bar on your tablet. Now after you select your preferred option, you can go to your home screen and you can use the button navigation bar on your tablet. Just like that. But if you want to turn off the button navigation and if you want to switch back to the gesture navigation, just go back to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Display. Under the Display settings, just tap on Navigation bar. Now instead of buttons, just select Swipe Gestures. Now after you do that, you will be able to use the swipe gestures on your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on or turn off gesture navigation on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.